Hey guys, it's me Tay here, and I just want to welcome you back to my channel. If you are new, I would love for you to stay to the end and click that subscribe button. And if you've been me, you ain't been me, but if you've been with me for a bit, thank you so much for coming back. I just want to say I hope you guys are doing well and keeping your sanity during these crazy times, and I just wanted to provide a little cleaning motivation and a little normalcy to help you get through some tasks that you can get done while you are sheltered in place. Alright, so how many of you are playing Monopoly at your local Safeway, Vons, and whatever other affiliate stores? We play every year. We don't win, but my son is convinced that one year we are going to win big, and I'm on board with him. Let's do it. So we shop there anyway, so we play. So don't forget to subscribe. Alright, don't be alarmed. I don't still have Valentine's Day stuff up. I did film this a little bit ago, but due to everything that's been going on, I had to get life situated with work and also get life situated with home because my son does have a pre-existing condition that would be detrimental for him to get the coronavirus and anything else. So I had to take care of my four walls and my baby and then jump back in. Okay, 5 hours later, I get through all these darn dishes. I gotta stop doing this to myself. And I have. I've been doing really good about taking care of my dishes daily, working on some different daily and weekly routines and seeing which ones I like the best before I record and share with you what is actually working for me as a working mom and a single mom. All right, so I definitely did not mean to disrupt my music that I was playing on my Google Home, but I guess I pulled it a little bit too much and the cord kind of slipped out, so I had to squeeze it back in there so it would restart. And I just wanted to know from you guys, what is it that you guys are doing right now to keep yourselves motivated, engaged, and productive on whatever journey you started at the start of this year? I know for me, I definitely wanted to be better with planning and being intentional and exercising and eating healthy. And I think I was very strong for a good part of this year and have definitely teetered off a bit. So I definitely want to take this time to restructure and reorganize and get back on track. All right, so I don't know why, but the amount of dirt and gunk and grime that is on my stove is not showing up as fully on this camera as it is in person. It was super dirty. So I know it looks like there was just a couple spots and I could have just spot treated it, but honestly it wasn't. It was the whole thing. So I definitely need to do a deep cleaning on my stove, but that's gonna wait a little bit. All right, and my table is all clean. Everything is all clean. I don't do my floors on my cleaning days because I don't like doing my floors, so I wouldn't be motivated. Now I'm gonna put a few things around my kitchen just to give me some pops of spring and just change up the view on the inside. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope that you made it to the end. Let me know down in the comment below if you did. Maybe put like he is risen or something, just to let me know that you made it. I really appreciate you guys, and I definitely am glad to be back to a little bit of normalcy to continue these uploads for you. I want you guys to stay blessed, stay sane, and have a blessed day.